Hello friend, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Haq Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Langar Singh College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video I am going to explain about Somerlet-Hauser rearrangement. So what is Somerlet-Hauser rearrangement? Somerlet-Hauser rearrangement, when a benzylic quaternary salt, I am talking about this, are treated with alkali metal amide, then it gives ortho-substituted benzylic tertiary amide. Process is continue until all ortho position of ring blocked. You see, the mechanism is 2,3 sigma-tropic rearrangement, and benzylic proton is acidic. So conversion from this to this known as Somerlet-Hauser rearrangement. What happened here? Look at and concentrate on product and reactant. Did you find it? Not yet? So look, focus on this point and this point, and focus on this point here. What happened? Before that there is nothing here. Now methyl group. Here quaternary salt. Now it become tertiary. So this type of reactions is known as Somerlet rearrangement. So you see, if you have such type of substrates, so nucleophile attack on this proton and formation of carbon ion, it will undergo rearrangement. You see how rearrangement is going on. It will attack on this. Now it becomes CH2 and CH3, and there is a CH2. Upon workup you will get here. So what is here? Okay, this methyl group now here, and there is a new methyl group is here. You see the conversions in the presence of this. So if you have these substrates, then this negative will attack on this, and this bond will open. Now you see double bond. Here is the bond, and upon workup you will get this product. Again you see another examples. What happened here? This one methyl group becomes CH2 negative, and then it attack on here and forming such type of cyclic product, and upon opening it will give this, and upon closing you see this product. Means here is the pH, here is the nitrogens. Now nitrogen ring is also enlarge this ring. You see CH3CH, and on reactions you will get this one. How it is possible? You see this phenyl, the important role of phenyl, and now you CH3 CH3. You see, so how many carbon? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and here is the phenyl, and here is the CH3. This is Somerlet-Hauser rearrangement. So just concentrate on here formation of nucleophile. If you understand these portions, then your work will be easy. And then the arrangement, how it is arranging like that. So this proton will shift here, then CH2 minus, and then you see this bond will open and attack on here. So CH2 and CH3CH3, and this bond will shift here and forming this product. So this is all about Somerlet-Hauser rearrangement. This is very good rearrangement when benzylic quaternary salt are treated with alkali metal amide, then it give ortho substituted benzylic tertiary amide, ortho substituted ortho. And this is 2,3 sigma tropic regimen. For objective exam, it is very important. This is a 2,3 sigma tropic regimen. You already know the pericyclic ratio. So friend, hope this video will be beneficial for you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, share it. Thanks for watching.